How do Roblox spawning parameters change gameplay? Imagine walking into a game where your starting point feels just right, or where enemies pop up in unexpected places. That's all about how spawning parameters shape your experience. In Roblox, spawning controls where, when, and how players or objects appear in the game world. These settings are like the rules that decide how smoothly the game flows and how fair it feels. At its core, spawning is the process of creating a player character or object in the game. When a player dies, respawning is how they come back into the game. Properly setting spawn points makes sure players start in fair spots, not in dangerous or unfair locations. For example, in a team game, you want players to spawn near their teammates, not in the middle of enemy territory. Random spawn locations can make the game more exciting by keeping players on their toes. Spawn location is one of the most important parameters. You can assign specific spawn points for each team or set up random spots within a designated area. This keeps gameplay unpredictable and lively. Spawn timing is another key factor. If players respawn immediately, the game stays fast and energetic. But adding a delay can give players a moment to breathe or plan their next move. It also helps balance gameplay, especially in competitive modes. Spawn protection is also vital. When players respawn, they can be given a few seconds of invincibility. This prevents them from being attacked right away and helps avoid frustration. Developers can script spawn protection so players aren't unfairly killed as they reappear. Spawn conditions are checks that decide if a spawn is allowed. For example, making sure the spawn point isn't already occupied or that certain game states are active. These checks prevent glitches or unfair advantages. From a development side, scripting these parameters allows creators to customize how players enter the game. For instance, in a game with multiple levels, spawn points can be set to match each level's layout. Developers can also randomize NPC spawn points within certain areas to keep encounters fresh and unpredictable. Advanced systems might reset a player's health or inventory when they spawn, which affects how the game balances challenge and progression. In essence, changing spawning parameters can make a game feel more fair, fast-paced, or strategic. They influence how players experience the game from the moment they join or respawn. For creators, understanding how to tweak these settings helps craft engaging, balanced, and fun Roblox games for everyone.